No way.
You used to always lift me up.
You were fine. May I?
Careful. Yay. Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Write something.
A compass. It's perfect, Troy. Thank you.
So you never feel lost again.
You remember it. It's so sweet.
Hey, I don't know a station in Fort Wainwright in Fairbanks, Alaska.
How close were you to this?
I know. Go on.
Hey, handsome.
Hey,
Look pretty good here.
well, you don't look so bad yourself there, beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Oh, would you look at that? It's righteousness. Remind you of anything?
Reminds me of us.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart. Get out! Hurry!
Yeah, Troy brought us up here in his tank.
It's not a tank, Joe. It's an Army-issued SUV.
No, it's a tank. It's got bulletproof glass, a satellite phone, and four-wheel drive, and he wouldn't let me drive it.
No.
Me?
Where's Duke?
Oh, I told him to stay at home. He can't drive this stuff.
Good idea. Nobody needs to be out there in this. I wanted a white Christmas, not an ice Christmas.
Ah.
Here, we'll help you.
No, I know. I need a haircut.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, yeah? Thank you.